In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your cPanel password in Hostgator. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started on securing your Hostgator account with a fresh password. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the Hostgator website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Hostgator's URL, which is hostgator.com. Once you've landed on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find this sign in button. Give it a click to proceed. After you've clicked on sign in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator login page. Here, enter your account credentials, your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your credentials, there is an option to recover or reset them right on the login page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Hostgator dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your web hosting account. Your next step is to navigate through the menu items. Click on the tab labeled Website, as this is where you'll find various settings for your hosted sites. On the website settings page, you'll see numerous options related to managing your websites. Your focus should be on finding the Settings option. Click on this to delve deeper into the configurations available for your Hostgator sites. Now that you're within the Settings menu, look for the Advanced tab. Clicking on Advanced will unveil additional features and settings that give you more control over your hosting environment. Next, locate the Manage option. By clicking on Manage, you are taking a step closer to accessing the essential security settings of your account. Within the management options, you'll come across the Password and Security section. This is a crucial area for maintaining the security of your cPanel account and is where you'll initiate the password change. Finally, find your way to the Change Password area under the Password and Security section. This is where you will set a new, strong password for your cPanel account. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and is at least 8 characters long. Once you have created your new password, be sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your cPanel password in Hostgator. This not only helps in keeping your account secure, but also gives you peace of mind. Remember to update your password manager if you use one, and keep this new password secure and private. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and stay secure out there.